tahad kõrgemale pildistada? seal on kõrgemale ka. vaata. seal on ka kõrgemale, seal ka minna.
ma ei pildista üldse, ma filmin. Oh, look at that. I like that job, man. Yeah, have a black metal in your ears. Checking out the hot chicks all the time. Beautiful. What crime is that? In the middle of a mall.
kõik on poole odavamalt. Aga teemegi vatkust tahate, ma kakkolan natuke võtan.
Jah, okei.
Mõtteid äkki natuke.
Okei, kas ka? Mul on hästi suur olemas. Doodle Coot.
It's video. It's video right now.
I know. I just wondered.
Why did you turn this way? Now
Because I was looking at the chick's ass.
Oh, now you have to watch this. Oh, look at that. My son likes to come here. You see that things you can jump in? Oh yeah, I definitely have to bring my son right here, dude. Baby lane. Minus. Oh, look, this guy is. That's awesome, dude. That's so grim, yeah. Right in the middle of the mall. Keset mooli jääväljak. Man, he's too fast. He's working too fast. Huh? Are you looking for what? Glasses, or are you looking for Cedric? Oh, here you can see. Oh, that's good. Dude, it's grim. He can just hit the ball really good. Then this wing is shiny as hell. Dude, this fucking shiny as hell. Oh no. Music box. Huh.